Hi, today we have the Pokeball from Want. Now, growing up as a kid, I was a huge Pokemon fan, as you can see by the shirt here, and my Detective Pikachu plush. But the Pokeballs we had as a kid, they were all kind of plasticky, felt super cheap, super low quality. This one here, $100, so I'm expecting a lot out of it. For today's video, I'm gonna unbox it real quick, go over some of the features, and then do a quick review. So let's get started. All right, let's pop this open. Ooh, look at that. You can see the Pokeball logo right there. That's some nice attention to detail. I really like that. All right, let's take the cover off. All right, let's start with the Pokeball. Ooh, this is heavy. This is almost like a full pound. It's got this nice metal top and bottom. Honestly, feels super high quality. I really like it. And I think the button clicks. Yeah, if I threw this against the wall, it would probably make it down in the wall and this thing wouldn't even break. So great quality build. Next up, the case. It's not metal, but it's got this nice plastic matte finish, so still pretty decent quality. You got the metal plate here that says Pokeball. On the bottom, you got holographic serial number. Nice touch. And let's see what happens when you open this up. Ooh, the platform raises. That's actually a really cool engineering feature, so I like that. Let me take out these battery covers, or battery protectors, and we'll see how these things work. All right, check this out. When you open it up, the platform lights up. It's really cool. You can kind of see it right there. And then the closer you get to the ball, the brighter it lights up. So it's got this proximity sensor. Watch, if I do like one finger, it lights up pretty bright, but let's say I do like all 5 fingers, it's super bright. Let me actually turn off my light here so you can get a better look. Look at that, ready? Look how bright that is. That is really cool. Now, in essence, you can actually play a game with this. So if you press the button down once, it will start blinking 3 times, and then it will either show red or green depending on whether or not you caught the Pokemon. So in this case, it turned red. Let's see if you can get it to turn green the next time. All right, so there's 1 blink, 2, 3, and now it's green. So it just means I caught the Pokemon. So when I bring my hand close, it shines white. But if I double tap, I can change that to red, and I can also change that to green. Really neat stuff. You can change the color of the platform by tapping on the metal plate. You can cycle through 7 different colors, and it's honestly super responsive. I think my favorite color is red though, just because it matches really well with the top of the Pokeball. Now, if you want to change the battery, you have to unscrew this right here, and then pop open the case. Okay, what's really neat is that it comes with this ring so that you can rest your Pokeball on top. Now, if you're wondering how to change the battery of the Pokeball, it's got this really cool design where if you click on these center pieces right here, it pops out the battery. And this is actually what the inside looks like. Unfortunately, there's no Pokemon. I would have preferred a Pikachu or an Eevee, but this is real life. In order to put it back in, you just slide it and click it, and there you go. Overall, I'm really impressed. It's got a great attention to detail, not just with the way it's built, but with the way the lights work inside the Pokeball and the case. It uses high quality materials, and it's got this nice heftiness to it, so I love the way it feels in your hands. And for half a second, I almost feel like a real trainer where it could just be like, Pikachu, I choose you, whoosh, and then this little guy jumps out and uses Thunderbolt. I mean, it just feels really nice. If you got a friend's birthday coming up, or have some extra space on your shelf or desk to fill, this is a great buy. I know at $100 it's a little pricey, but being a Pokemon fan is definitely worth it to me. I'll leave a link in the description below, and let me know if you're thinking about getting one in the comments. That's all for today, folks. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you for the next one. Do you remember Pokemon Go? Yeah, that was probably the closest we'll ever get to world peace.